Hello guys and welcome back to another Tutorial Monday and Get to Know Your Camera episode 3 and 8. Is it right? I think so. Today we are discussing ISO after a break I took for a week, so let's get to it. First of all, I would love to thank you for all the support I've been getting now. My channel has been doing amazing. There has been going a lot in the analytics section and we reached 40 subscribers. I would like to thank you all for that, even those not subscribed, but you gotta fix it, yeah? The button is right there. I'll wait. I got all night, all day, all night, all time. Take your time. I'll wait. So again, as last time, I have 3 minutes on the clock. And let's begin. What's ISO? ISO is a numerical factor that tells you the sensitivity of the sensor. The what? Okay, sorry. Let me explain it a bit more simply. ISO, as we photographers and videographers use it, is something to control the brightness of the image, of the outputted image from the camera. You could imagine it something like a toggle for brightness and darkness, You can either make it brighter or darker. Adjusting ISO can help you, for example, getting faster shutter speed or slower depending on what you need, or it can help you get faster aperture or slower aperture. It depends what you need and you can adapt ISO to your needs. By the way, links to both episodes I mentioned, aperture and shutter, will be in the description and in the tags here somewhere here. All cameras are different and the ISO amount that you can push the camera to varies depending on the quality of the sensor itself. You could say in general terms that the lower the ISO, the better the quality of the photo. But this doesn't mean that you have to be fixed at a low ISO. It just means that having a higher ISO can cause grainy images, but still, this all depends on the camera sensor you have. For those of you that are using entry-level cameras, that means something like cheap, under $1,000 or stuff like this, me too, we are fixed somewhere around 800 ISO to 1600 ISO. That's pretty much the top we can push our cameras, because if we go higher, the images start to fall apart. They start to get grainy and they are not so appealing. Many professional cameras can push the ISO up to, for example, 20,000 or even higher. And it's a feature that you have to pay for and you pay a pretty big premium for it, but in the end it's quite worth it if you need it, so it all is up to you what you want. And lastly, to show you something really crazy, you could take a look at this photo. This photo was shot on a Sony a7 III at 20,000 ISO. That's a crazy number, I know. But it really is incredible how far we can push this technology, but you have to pay for it. It's a trade-off. Thanks again to all of you that subscribed and support me and will continue to support me. I really appreciate every single one of you, and thanks for watching. I really mean it. Come hang out with me on Instagram or in the comments. I will be replying as always to all of you. So comment down below what you think, what should I make next, and let's chat a bit. Thanks for watching, and until next time, just drink a lot of water, I don't know.